Hello, everyone, and we have to talk about a class of coins or cryptos that might do well in the upcoming run or even without a run. Because of the no reporting DEX bill that was essentially passed yesterday, DEXs that actually have extra features such as perps trading, margin trading, leverage trading, and a lot of stablecoins can do extremely well in the upcoming bull run. Now, I don't really think people should take advantage of these features, but people actually do. If you're actually interested in a exchange that actually has those, check out the BitUnix link in my description. But let's get on with the video. These features draw a lot of volume. Me, just from my affiliate sales, I can tell you, let me just take a look right here. I've driven over $1 million worth of volume to this program. Now, the commissions for me aren't that great. I get maybe $200-$300 per $1 million of volume I'm basically driving. So I'm not really getting rich off of this, but you can see how much volume and how many types of transactions, these kind of services actually provide. And there's a lot of people trading them. And no, I'm not wash trading $1 million myself because, first of all, I don't leverage like that because I don't want to lose that kind of money. I personally don't really believe in it. I believe in leverage trading myself, but I don't mind referring a couple of people if they really want to do it. So there's going to be a lot of users. And let's face it, crypto people are gamblers for the most part. So they want to do a lot of leverage trading. And you know what? That's fine with me. If they want to do it, I can't really stop them. So because of this, I think the non-KYC AML aspect of this is going to get really popular. And with that bill signed into place, like these DEXs are open for business. Now, there is like a portion of people that want to use this as a way to avoid taxes. I mean, you still need to cash out somewhere a lot of the times, so eventually you will have to pay. But a lot of people won't want to record their transactions one by one because it takes forever to actually file them. And the tax software to actually track all this stuff could actually get very expensive. And now since this rule is passed, I think a lot of people are just going to basically do like an overall estimate of how much they made or lost each year and file with the IRS that way. I think most people already do that anyways. And when I asked a couple of accountants, they had it wrong, but they actually said like just to do like overall profit loss each year. The thing is, like the IRS is already understaffed and they're going to be even more understaffed under the Trump administration. So if you make like a decent effort to report your taxes, they're probably not going to come after you. As long as you're not making like $1 million and saying you're not making any money. I do the best to estimate to the best of my ability each year, and my actual gains and losses are very, very close, and I think they're fairly accurate. So if the IRS comes after me, they might get like $5, which they're not going to do because it costs them to send agents to actually try to audit me. So as long as you make a fair effort, you're fine. But I think not having to report all those transactions is going to be very attractive to a lot of people. And those people, a lot of them are hard hitters. You just saw over $1 million worth of leverage on my affiliate account that I've actually referred a couple of people to. But there's a lot more than that. And there's people that referred 1,000 times more than I do. And those people are the ones that are making a lot out of this, out of crypto content. It's not their massive trading skills that's making them all that money. It is actually all those referrals. But that's just goes to show you like how many people actually use those referrals. Now you want one of those DEXs that has these features and has a bunch of stable coins, because one of the main problems with DEXs is that they don't have a fiat on-ramp, but stable coins do actually solve all of that. The DEX to CEX ratio has also been increasing. I think it's basically doubled or tripled over the last year. So DEXs are gaining in popularity as well. So with the rise of DEXs in popularity, with the bettering of regulations especially, and basically with DEXs ever gaining in more users and the want for those users to be able to do all these leverage trades without reporting each and every trade, I think that demand is going to be high, and there's going to be a couple of services that soar. I think you should look at buying some of these governance coins, because people are going to look at these governance coins as maybe ways to reduce fees, but more than just that, as kind of a marker for how these DEXs are doing. And I think like if you buy the right one, it could definitely soar. One of them I can think of is Jupiter. That's already a pretty big one. If you want to look for smaller ones, be aware they are very, very risky, but they also have the potential for like 100 or 1,000x. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.